Namaste. Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JV Dr. Anamika Aharwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the topic Concept Hierarchy Generation for Categorical Data. Concept hierarchy is basically reduces the data, and this data is by collecting and replacing lower level concept by higher level concept. Lower level means like numeric values for the attribute age, and high level concept means young, middle aged and senior. So this concept hierarchy generation for numeric data is as follows, like binning, historical analysis, clustering analysis, entropy based discretization, segmentation by natural partitioning, and binning. So in binning, what we have done, the first sort data and partition. Binning means bin. I am talking about it, small bins, different bins, collecting some data in that bin. Okay. So first sort data and partition into equal depth bins. मीन्स इक्वल डेप्थ के बिन्स में पार्टीशन हम कर देंगे. So then after one can smooth by bin means, smooth by bin median, smooth by bin boundaries, etc. So means we can categorize it into means, median and boundaries, right? Now another one is a histogram analysis. In this histogram analysis, which is very popular data reduction technique, and in this divide data into buckets and store average for each bucket. So this can be constructed optimally in one dimension using dynamic programming. This is related to quantization problems. Then clustering analysis. Clustering means the same item grouped into one. Okay, so this partition data set into clusters, and one can store cluster representation only. This can be very effective if data is clustered but not if data is smeared. This can have hierarchical clustering and be stored in multi-dimensional index tree structures. Entropy based discretization means this is given a set of simple as if S is partitioned into two intervals S1 and S2 using boundaries T. The entropy after partitioning is calculated by this formula. Okay, here S1 and S2 correspond to symbols in S, which is satisfying the condition A is less than V and amp is equals to null and A, and it is greater than equals to V. Then the boundaries that minimize the entropy functions over all possible boundaries is selected as a binary discretization. The process is recursively applied to partitions obtained until some stopping criteria is met. Example, entropy S minus E and Ts is greater than delta. So experiments show that it may reduce data size and improve classification accuracy. Another is the segmentation by natural partitioning. Here you see 3, 4, 5. This 3, 4, 5 rule, this can be used to segment numerical data into relatively uniform natural intervals. So if an interval covers 3, 6, 7 or 9 distinct values at the most significant digit, partition the range into 3 equi-width intervals. If it covers 2, 4 or 8 distinct values at the most significant digit, partition the range into 4 intervals. If it covers 1, 5 or 10 distinct values at the most significant digit, partition the range into 5 intervals. Then the concept hierarchy generation for categorical data is as follows. Previously I told you about the numerical data. Now here this categorical data I am talking about. Okay, so in this first is the specification of a set of attributes but not of their partial ordering. Means there is auto generate the attribute ordering which is based upon observations that attribute defining a higher level concept has a smaller number of distinct values that an attribute defining a lower level concept. Example is like country 15, state or province 365, and cities. It means this is the example of means attributes are defined, you can say. Then the specification of only a partial set of attributes means try and pray and parse database schemes to determine complete hierarchy. Okay, so this is all about the concept hierarchy generation for categorical data. So this is all about today's session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.